Hello, this is Timmy. Do you want to use your free time by playing a game? Let you earn more than $300 in profit, whether you're traveling or taking a break from work. Some people like to play games, but I like to play games and waste a lot of time, but not well utilized. Play games for entertainment and make money at the same time. Today I will share 3 game software. You can earn high commissions by playing games. The game commissions you see now. Commissions up to $400. Some people have great fun with this game. You can even get a $500 reward. They can also play these games. Let him earn the first pot of gold in his life. More than $150,000. Of course, it's the best in the game. Therefore, there is a saying that the master's introduction to practice depends on one's own practice. There is no guarantee that everyone can earn such a high commission. He can even play games. Stand a chance to win bonus prizes in the draw. There is an additional bonus of $1,000. If you also want to know how to play games through software, how to make money, then you can't miss today's video. There are more game software at the end of the video. Let you make more money at the same time. Let's start today's content now. Now I come to the AI toolbox. Find these are affiliated. I'll come to the first step. Come to AI toolbox. Find this is the Alliance's website. Find this is the Alliance website of the game. Enter to register an account. After clicking it, go to the upper right corner and click Log in to an account. You can log into this account through Google. You can also register one via email, but I have already registered, so I won't repeat the operation here, because it's very simple. You only need to fill in your registered email address and login password. You can log in immediately, create an account, or a faster way. All you need to do is click on a Google account. You can log in immediately. When you log in, after I log into my account, you can see there is a money-making directory on the left. I can click to see. All the money-making projects here are displayed here. I'll click on this offer again. You can see the column above. This column can be seen. Many netizens make money and withdraw cash here. I can click open and see. Earned $30. This one costs $53. You can see his withdrawals. And I see all. Here you can click on your mobile phone or computer to make money. That is, you can choose the type of platform. If you have an Android phone, you can just choose Android. All types of games are Android type. If you have an Apple phone, of course you need to select the Apple system. You will see that all these are games for iPhone. I noticed the unit price of the game compared to Android. Its income will be higher, and the commission he gives will be higher. So if you are a netizen of Apple mobile phone, maybe more advantageous. Of course, you can also select all types. Find your highest commission with this software. I selected all types and then sorted them. Sort by the highest commission here in the upper right corner. In order, you can see that there are $400 US, $300 US, and $310 US here. When you can play this game, I think it's best if you like this game. When you play like this, you can have fun without feeling stressed. When I play this game to level 13, you can get more than $300 from him. So, while enjoying the fun of the game, at the same time, you can earn US dollars. Is this the best of both worlds? In addition to making money through games, I can also pass the investigation. I can see there's a survey on the left. There are a lot of things here, that is, through a simple questionnaire. You can earn these dollars. Here are $3.85. Of course, these commissions will be lower compared to games. The commission for the game will be higher. When you make money, how to withdraw cash? He can do it via PayPal. Exchange via cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. You can also go through Amazon, or these other famous trading platforms can cash in. It's quite safe to withdraw money. When withdrawing cash, the minimum amount is more than $5 US. To be able to withdraw cash can be noticed. There are some people here who are better at playing. You can appreciate. In addition to playing games, the league also has bonuses. You played well. You will get extra bonus every day. The maximum prize is $50. if you count it every month. Dispersed according to ranking, the highest monthly bonus is 500 United States dollars. There is also a bonus pool of 200,000 United States dollars. This plan has some reward programs from time to time. By lottery, the highest prize is a $1,000 reward. I now use SimilarWeb. Check the website. This website has 12 million visitors, so the traffic is also quite huge. I can also find it on Google software through him. This software can also be found at the top of his website. You can see his software here. After opening it, you can see its download volume. There are 5 million downloads, and his fans' ratings of him are not low either. I can pull down. The average score is 4.1 points, so it's still a pretty good software. Next, I will look at other softwares. I won't introduce these two software in detail because of its basic gameplay. The software I talked about earlier, it's also very similar. Then you can also use it on Google Play. Search this keyword. You can find and recognize this software. You can find it. Second software. I can also pass. You can find this software on Google. It has relatively less downloads. There are 1 million downloads. Its score is 4.0. It is also a relatively good software. Of course, you want to do several at the same time. These three software, it's also their nature to play games. Make money doing surveys. If you are also interested and want to play games in your spare time, the idea that you can earn dollars by playing games while killing time, then these software are perfect for you. If today's video content, if it can be of some help to you, I hope you can give this video a free like. If you have any problems with operation, you can tell me through the message area below. If you have the latest creative ideas, I will also share it with you as soon as possible. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next issue.